Hello friends, so how are you? I hope today you will very good. So again today I have come with a video how to make design this type you showing on my screen so you can see and this type will type how to make from Python coding. So today I tell you how to make from Python coding. So I am Amarjeet and now you are watching expert coding. So now I going on our desktop screen. So finally I came on the screen. First, first you open your notebook. So open notepad and let's write our program here. So here write sorry from here write from turtle import from turtle import star and hit enter. Let's import radiant again import radiant. So from sorry from turtle from random not here right turtle from random random import radiant and hit enter. Here give a speed sorry here give speed. I give here 0 and hit enter. So here right here give background color vg color vg color. Here give black black and hit enter. And here how much how many flower where output give output how many flowers. So I only take one and hit enter. And here I give that while loop sorry while loop while x greater than how much size of make flower well type kite type. So how much space how much size. So I give here 350 size and hit enter. So here right r is equal to radiant sorry radiant 02 comma 255 and hit enter. Again here g rgb means red green blue color radiant again 0 comma 255 and hit enter. Again here write b is equal to radiant uh, radiant. Same here put it 0 comma 255 and hit enter. So half program is completed and again write full program. Color color mode color mode what color mode is my 255 because all color give there 0 to 55 0 to 255. So also here write 255 and pen color here write pen color which type color RGB. So here write R comma G comma B and bracket and hit enter. and here write FD. FD means full breath. So how much give here? 50 plus X and hit enter. And hit enter. RT 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 here give how much? 90.911. Here I give, you can give any 80, 60, 900. You can anything give here, put it. So I give normally 90, and here put it X plus is equal to 1 and hit enter. In last write exit, exit, exit on C, exit on click, exit on click, and open close bracket. Here give some space, and finally my program is completed. Only 10 line program, 10 to 15 line program you can see. And now I'm going to save the program, and I save on desktop program. Here give kite.py UI and hit enter. Now open your command format. So open command format, and here going on desktop mode and hit enter. So I finally I come on desktop mode, and here put it Python file name. What is file name? What is file name? Kite.py and hit enter, and running my program and making my kite type, and this is kite looking is very good. Looking so great. You can see on my desktop. So it's good, and very good looking. If you like, so if you like this video and this kite and clover, you can say anything. So if you like, so like my video and share and subscribe my channel. So thank you, friend.